Good morning and welcome to Bull and Bear Invest channel. Today is the 9th of February 2021 and we're going to be taking our second look at the ever developing Argo Blockchain PLC. December's mining revenue was £1.63 million, £150,000 increase in compared to November 2020. January's mining revenue was £2.48 million and this was achieved by mining 71% of the duration of January. Argo Blockchain gains 280.3% increase in the first week in January in 2021, raising from 0.33 to 1.255 on the 7th of January. Yesterday triggered a new surge in the price of Bitcoin as Tesla announced the purchase of $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. This has also been encouraged by the mass coverage that the media provide the cryptocurrency market. But why was this? Primarily, it was the price of Bitcoin increasing. However, Argo Blockchain has a very stable business strategy ahead. In November 2020, 4,500 leased mining machines were ordered. 1,058 of these mining machines arrived early on the 11th of January. These machines were told to be hashing by the 25th of January 2021. The remaining quantity are expected to be delivered and fully operational by mid-February this year. Further to this, the RNS that confirms that 1,295 new machines are now in production also states that the remainder of the 10,000 machines required to achieve the target petahash rate of 1,685 are on order and expected to be delivered in batches between February and June. How does Bitcoin mining work? Well, Bitcoin is an online currency, and when the online currency is used in a transaction, this transaction needs to be verified. This single transaction is stored with several others in what we call a blockchain. To verify each transaction, a 64-character alphanumeric code needs to be matched. The first miner to match this 64-character code is then rewarded with a portion of a Bitcoin. However, cryptocurrencies are clever. The quicker the online transactions get verified, the harder the 64-character code becomes. As these get harder, bigger computers are required. The higher your hash rate, the greater chance of completing that block, therefore getting rewarded. Argo Blockchain have also invested $100,000 in Luxor Technology, where they will co-lead a program to strengthen the hash rate platform for their company. This platform has 28,000 miners globally and has mined over $45 million thus far. During the course of this program, there will be a full launch of the SHA-256 best price execution algorithm later this year. Since our last presentation on Argo Blockchain, the company has since taken a 25% stake to become the lead investor in Pluto Digital Assets plc. This was announced on the 4th of February 2021. Some of the most notable projects that they have been invested in include the YOP platform and protocol and a highly anticipated DeFi project launched on leading IDO platform PokerStarter. YOP is backed by leading crypto VCs and supported by some of the most influential names in crypto and has increased over 1,800% since listing in January 2021. Argo Blockchain closed the market trading day yesterday at 1.17. The year high has been recorded at 1.45 on the 8th of January and the year low at 0.25 on the 20th of March 2020. Now, if we compare the share price of Argo Blockchain in direct correlation with the price of Bitcoin, we can see a very strong and clear similarity. On the 8th of January this year, we saw Bitcoin reach a new record of $40,000. In reaction to this, the share price in Argo Blockchain also rocketed and reached £1.40. Shortly after the spike, the price of Bitcoin settled between $30,000 and $35,000. And now we're seeing another spike in the cryptocurrency since Tesla have announced they've purchased $1.5 billion worth. The price of Bitcoin this morning is $47,950 per coin and still climbing. Now this is fantastic news for all shareholders with Argo Blockchain. Providing that the price of Bitcoin continues to increase, so will the share price in Argo Blockchain. So what have Argo Blockchain got going for them that's going to increase the share price again this year? Well, the proceeds of the private placement will be used for working capital or general corporate purposes, including the expansion of Argo Blockchain's existing mining capacity throughout Q1 and Q2 of 2021. This suggests there is greater expansion capacity than what we already have with the additional 4,500 leased mining devices on order. We should look forward to seeing more RNSs in the next 3 to 4 months about how Argo Blockchain intend to expand their company further. As we've already mentioned, the 4,500 additionally leased mining machines will be fully operational by mid-February. That again will be supported by RNS data. And also, as we've just mentioned, the full launch of the SHA-256 best price execution algorithm will be launched later in 2021. If you found the content in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bull and Bear Invest Chatter.